Have you ever wondered about the challenges of integrating the Protheus system with a chatbot using the ADVPL language? It's a task that can seem daunting even to the most skilled developers. One of the biggest hurdles is the complexity of the ADVPL language itself. Known for its unique syntax, understanding ADVPL requires a deep and nuanced knowledge. Then there's the Protheus system. It's a robust platform that can be difficult to navigate without a solid grasp of its intricacies. Integrating it with a chatbot isn't an easy feat and requires a lot of patience and expertise. And let's not forget about the communication between these two systems. Ensuring a seamless interaction is a challenge in itself, with data compatibility and synchronization issues often cropping up. But despite these challenges, there is a systematic process that can help make this integration possible. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of integrating Protheus system with a chatbot using ADVPL language. Our first step is understanding both the Protheus system and the chatbot requirements. Protheus, a product of TOTVS, is a robust enterprise resource planning system known for its flexibility and scalability. It's important to comprehend its structure, data flow, and functionality. Similarly, we need to be clear about our chatbot's purpose. Is it for customer service, lead generation, or perhaps both? Knowing the intended use will guide us in setting the right parameters for the integration. Next, we delve into the coding aspect. ADVPL, or Advanced Protheus Language, is a proprietary language of TOTVS. It's designed to work seamlessly with Protheus. Start by setting up the API endpoints in Protheus using ADVPL. This will allow the chatbot to send and receive data from the system. Then, create the necessary functions in ADVPL to handle different chatbot interactions. For instance, a function that pulls customer data when the chatbot receives a specific command. Once the code is in place, it's time to establish the connection between the chatbot and Protheus through the API. This might require some additional coding on the chatbot side, but the goal is to ensure smooth data exchange between the two systems. The following step is testing. It's crucial to test every functionality of the chatbot and its interaction with the Protheus system. This will help us identify any errors or malfunctions early and correct them before they impact the end users. After thorough testing, we move to the debugging process. This involves going through the code, isolating any issues, and resolving them. Remember, debugging is not a one-time task. It should be an ongoing process to ensure the integrated system remains efficient and error-free. Finally, after all the steps, it's time for deployment. At this stage, the chatbot is ready to go live and start interacting with users, powered by the Protheus system's data and capabilities. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate the Protheus system with a chatbot using ADVPL language. In conclusion, integrating the Protheus system with a chatbot using ADVPL language can be a challenging task, but with the correct approach, it can be achieved. The key is understanding the intricacies of both the Protheus system and the ADVPL language. Let's recap what we've covered. We've walked through the step-by-step process of integration, starting from understanding the basics of Protheus and ADVPL, to creating an API, and finally to integrating the two systems. Each step is critical, and skipping one could lead to potential issues down the line. The importance of understanding both the Protheus system and the ADVPL language cannot be overstated. Without a solid grasp of these two elements, the integration process could become a tangled web of confusion. Remember, the key to a successful integration is a thorough understanding of the systems and a systematic approach. So take your time, follow the steps, and you'll be able to integrate the Protheus system with a chatbot using ADVPL language.